Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Stifel Online Fast Access step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Stifel's online access. Press the Enter key. You will be directed to the Stifel homepage. Look for the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. A new page will appear. Here, you will see options for different account types. Select the appropriate login option for your account. Now, enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check for any typos in both fields. If you want to stay logged in on this device, you can select the Remember Me option. Once you have entered your credentials, click the Login button. Wait a moment for the system to process your login. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In case of any issues, review the error message for guidance. If you forgot your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you can navigate your account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.